What rule at your school backfired horribly? My high school was trying to prevent a senior prank, since the class before us had got a little out of hand. They warned us that anyone who did anything would be in trouble, so somebody had an idea. What if we do an anti-prank? Every senior was going to bring a potentially threatening item for a senior prank and do nothing with it. Somebody had the idea that we should all bring a gallon jug of water with us to class. The teachers freaked out, and there was an announcement that they were going to start taking up the water jugs for fear of what we were going to do with them. The students were resentful and not wanting to give up their precious water, but alas, most of the jugs were confiscated. So the students took to social media. Tons of tweets and mentions went out to local news stations. School is confiscating all water, not allowing students to drink water. You get the picture. Before the end of the day, 2 different news reporters were at our school. Guess we had the last laugh after all.